Hi, my name's Alon Shaya, and today we're talking hummus. My favorite is kind of like the classic hummus with tahini, which we're doing today, but my rule of thumb is everything goes good on hummus. So the baking soda really begins to break down the structure of the skins that are on top of the garbanzo beans. When you soak them in it, it starts to break it down a little bit, but then when you drain it and bake it with a lot more, it really dries on there and really starts to break down all that cell structure of the skins. And so now when we go to rinse it, those skins will just kind of start to fall off. Kind of massaging the beans to get the baking soda off of it, but also to get the skins to start coming off. And that's what's gonna really make it nice and tender, is as those skins fall off, you get a very smooth puree. The hummus was one of the major things for us. We made, I think, 80 batches before we got it right where we wanted it. If we didn't get the hummus right, we wouldn't be standing here right now. You want them to be like falling apart, super mushy. When you sit down in an Arab restaurant in Israel, you typically get plates of hummus, and then you get plates of Moroccan carrot salad and pickled cauliflower and tabbouleh and baba ganoush and tahini and like maybe some grated tomato and extra virgin olive oil and a little sea salt and like spicy peppers. And then you get all this pita, and then that's kind of the way your meal starts. And we were very particular to not cut the bread like into little triangles or whatever, or serve it, with a knife. We wanted people to grab it, tear it open, burn their fingers, and then like feel that kind of connection, where you're passing somebody a piece of bread, and then you're grabbing a plate, and then you're sharing this, and you're making bites for people. That's really kind of like the beauty of the food that we cook, I think.